So in this video I'll be teaching you about identity operators in Python. So identity operators are is and is not. So is basically same as double equal to, and is not is basically same as not equal to. So I will be showing you example. So basically is works exactly same as which is the double equal to in Python, and is not is exactly working same as like what we say is same as the not equal to operator in the Python language. So for example, we create a variable 5 and we print x is 5, we get true. And if we try to print x is not 5, we get false. So uh, so basically if x is equal to 5, we are get true, and if it is not equal to 5, we are getting false here as value. So it is the use of identity operators basically. Like it is same as is basically same as double equal to, and is not is same as the not equal to. So we use them in for loops and various other places. You will be seeing me that how I use them in various other programs. So this is this much for now. It is there is nothing more to go in deep. I just wanted to let you know what are identity operators basically in the video. So I hope you got this. You got the concept, and uh, thanks. So if you liked my video, then please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. In my next video, I will be teaching you about bitwise operators, and so basically there are three bitwise operators: XOR, AND, and OR. So I will be teaching you that in the next video. In the next video. So they are also very important because we will be working with 0 and 1. I will be also teaching you about a function called bin, which helps us to generate the binary format of any number. So hope you liked the video. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to basically drop me in comments, and please subscribe my channel. In future I will be also uploading many such different like videos related to uh, like what we say different languages. So thanks.